Delhi Public School Kamptee Road, Nagpur celebrated India's 76th Republic Day with great enthusiasm and pride, showcasing the spirit of unity and patriotism. Colonel Navin Kumar Rai, Administrative Officer at NCC Group Headquarters, Nagpur, honored the program as a chief guest and commenced the celebration by unfurling the national flag. The event featured performances by the students of pre-nursery to grade 2 who lit up the stage with their passion for our motherland. The program included a vibrant drill by the Tiny Tots, speeches in Hindi and English, a patriotic choir performance, and a captivating dance performance that reflected on national unity and integrity. The principal, Ms. Yogita Umadkar, gave an inspiring speech and urged the students to foster love and pride for our beloved nation. The chief guest, Colonel Navin Kumar Rai, inspired the students to reach for excellence, urging them to aim high and consider serving the nation by joining the esteemed Indian Armed Forces. The school resonated with patriotic fervor and the event concluded with a heartfelt vote of thanks.